do not need a WhatsApp group anymore. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete a WhatsApp group step by step. This is the official method and works on all phones. Watch the full video carefully so you do not miss any step. First of all, you open the WhatsApp app. Then here you click your WhatsApp group you want to delete permanently. So this is the group. After click it, here you can see to this option. So simple click on it. Then here you remove the all group admin. Here you can see, first of all, remove this one, remove, and after here you remove all the group member. So I remove one by one. Here you can see. So here you can see the exist group option. Simple click on it. Then again click the exist option. Then here you can see the delete group option. Click on it. Again click the delete group option. Here you can see your WhatsApp group is deleted permanently. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks.